As we talked about, Datera is a symmetric scale-out system built on the aggregation of independent x86 servers. The system is built on multi-generational heterogeneous nodes, be it all-flash or hybrid. The system is highly resilient with no single point of failure, with an automated mesh data rebuild on media or node failure. The system is built to house multiple applications concurrently with QoS controls to address noisy neighbor problem, as well as effective performance management on a per volume or a per application basis. It provides a rich set of data services, including zero overhead snapshots and clones, a lockless two-phase commit protocol to scale, and supports consistent atomic snaps for applications. Bill, can you please show us the scale-out and heterogeneous nature of Datera?
Sure, happy to, Ashok. Thank you. So I'm going to walk you through the Datera web user interface today. We've designed a very simple interface that quickly allows you to get the status on the main page. When we talk about the various aspects of Datera, what's very important is be able to have mix and match nodes, to be able to have a heterogeneous cluster. You can see right in the upper left-hand corner, we have both hybrid and flash capacities listed. I'm going to jump down to the storage node page. Here we have a list of the storage nodes that are comprising this Datera system. As you can tell, within this one infrastructure, we have both all-flash and hybrid systems. Each of these data nodes brings capacity, performance, and capabilities to the system with a status marked on the right-hand side. So now I'm going to talk a little bit about the way we do enterprise data protection. So here as a backdrop, I'm going to use a MySQL or MS SQL deployment based on the Datera system. So first, we're able to encode a granular protection strategy using our high-performance snapshots. 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, and 1 week for a total of 1 month of data protection for this application. Second, you'll notice that there are three tabs at the top here. These correspond to the volumes that will comprise this application. When we deploy it, we can orchestrate our application to use the data volumes and the log volumes appropriately. What's special about the Datera system is that these storage access points can be distributed amongst any of the storage nodes in the infrastructure, and with our overall snapshot policy, can be atomically snapped at the same time. So as your infrastructure grows, as you add more storage nodes to the infrastructure, we can ensure that data consistency across the board. Next, I want to step over to the vSphere web client to show the Datera integration with the vSphere web client. What we're going to do here is just simply provision the Datera through this interface. So I'm going to use the Datera plugin and select Create Data Store. This is going to bring up a dialog that helps us enter the information for vSphere. So I'm going to call it VMware Data Store. I'm going to choose Advanced Configuration. Here, if we enable our QoS, or Quality of Service Controls, you can see that not only do we offer IOPS capability, but we also offer bandwidth capability. So I can go ahead and set the bandwidth here to say 800 megabytes per second for this particular data store. We can also, from this interface, orchestrate the snapshots. Go ahead and press the Create button, and back to you, Ashok.
What about for large clouds where they have multiple vSphere instances, Bill?
So in a large cloud built on VMware, vCloud Realize is the technology that's most employed, and we fully are integrated with that technology. Thank you.
Great.
Now let's go to Mark for his discussion.